Lucid dreaming is where you are kind of aware of the fact that you're dreaming while you're still asleep. So you're kind of in the dream, you'll be doing something usually. Let's say you're walking down the street and suddenly you look down at your hands and you realize, hold on a second, I'm dreaming right now. And at that point, you become lucid because you're aware of the fact that you're dreaming.
Wow.
This is very different to being in control of the dream. And this is quite, a lot of people get these mixed up. They think that if you're lucid, you're in control. Not necessarily. Lucid just means being aware of the fact that you're dreaming. That then makes it more likely that you can decide what to do, control things, manipulate the weather, fly around, but they don't necessarily go hand in hand.
Okay.
So you have to practice both skills, not only being able to become lucid and recognize that you're dreaming, but also being able to actually control the dream. And that takes a bit more skill. That takes a bit more practice because you're fighting against all of your kind of subconscious beliefs about how the world should work, gravity. You know, if I jump up in the air, I should fall down. That stops you flying, for example.
Yeah.
But we can get onto that later. But yeah, basically, it's just the ability to be aware of the fact that you're dreaming while you're still asleep.
Okay. Yeah. So maybe thinking about it now, I have gotten to like too lucid dreaming then, because I feel like I have there are times when I realize that I'm in a dream, but I've never gotten to the point where I could control it, I don't think.
Yeah. And I think a lot of people are in that boat where they might have had the experience a few times, but they're not able to control it fully.
Yeah.
Or what happens is quite often people become lucid for a few seconds or, just a very brief moment of time, and then they wake up. That's quite common as well.
So lucid dreaming specifically is knowing that you're in a dream. Is there a term for when you're able to control it?
I don't think I haven't heard a dream term for when you're able to control the dream. I think people just refer to it as dream control or dream manipulation.
Oh, okay. Sounds cool.
But maybe there should be a term for it because they are different states, You can be in a lucid dream, so you're aware of the fact that you're dreaming, but you're so unable to control it that it's actually a nightmare. And there is a term for that, and it's just lucid nightmare, where it's like super vivid, you're dreaming, but you still can't escape and you still can't control it.
Yeah.
And so, there probably should be a term for, and maybe there is, I just haven't heard of it, a term for where you're lucid and you can completely control most of the elements of the dream.
Right. Yeah. Okay. So that makes sense. I think, we all get that. It might be hard to conceptually understand what that means, I guess, being able to control your dream, but can you kind of, I guess, now dive into like, what's the point of lucid dreaming? Like, are there benefits? Are there drawbacks? Why are we talking about this?
Yes. Okay.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. This is my dog, Murphy, and these are dog treats. Now I'll give Murphy one of these dog treats, and all you have to do is press the like button. Just press that little like button right down there at the bottom of this video, and this sweet, adorable, cute little puppy gets a treat. All thanks to you. All right, you did it? Okay, I believe you. You said you did it. There you go, Murph. She got that treat because of you. Now, I'll eat one of these treats, and all you have to do is click that subscribe button right there, pointing to it. Just click that subscribe button, subscribe to Curiosityness with me, Travis DeRose. Get lots of good video, and I'll eat this treat. All right, you did that too? That's not very good. Bro, not very